Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Signal app. Let's get started. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Signal Private Messenger. Tap Install and once it's downloaded, open the app. Enter your mobile number and confirm it with the verification code sent via SMS. Next, add your name and profile photo so your contacts can recognize you. Signal will ask you to create a PIN. This helps protect your profile and settings. Make sure to remember it. Tap the pen icon in the bottom corner to start a chat. Select a contact already using Signal. Type your message and hit send. Your messages are end-to-end encrypted, meaning only you and the receiver can read them. Open a chat and tap the phone or video icon at the top. Signal lets you make high-quality private calls for free, even internationally. You can also send photos, videos, voice messages, documents, and even stickers securely. Everything stays private. Signal doesn't track or store your data. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.